Did you know that the seemingly ordinary liquid in your stomach possesses an astonishing power that rivals some of the strongest chemicals on Earth? It's not just for digesting your lunch. It's a super acid capable of truly mind-blowing feats. Your stomach acid, primarily hydrochloric acid, is incredibly potent, boasting a pH level typically between 1 and 3. Pause. To put that into perspective, battery acid has a pH of around 0.8. Pause. This makes your stomach environment millions of times more acidic than pure water, creating a hostile environment for almost anything that enters. And here's where it gets truly wild. Your stomach acid can in fact corrode razor blades. Pause. Scientific studies have shown that in a simulated stomach environment, razor blades lost significant weight and became brittle enough to snap after just 15 hours. Pause. The acid doesn't instantly melt them, but it aggressively breaks down the steel over time. So with such corrosive power, how does your stomach avoid digesting itself? The secret lies in an incredible protective system. Your stomach lining is shielded by a thick, slimy layer of mucus, rich in bicarbonate, which neutralizes the acid right at the surface of the stomach wall. Plus, the cells lining your stomach regenerate at an astonishing rate, constantly replacing themselves to maintain this vital barrier. Pause. This constant silent battle inside you highlights the sheer genius of the human body. Every single day, your stomach produces up to 4 liters of this powerful gastric juice, not just to break down food, but also to act as a crucial defense against harmful bacteria and pathogens. Pause. It's a testament to the intricate and robust engineering that keeps us alive. Want to learn more fascinating facts about how your body works? Visit Sikho.ai.